All right, this is a tutorial on how to add videos that you've made to Google Drive. This might be just a video lesson that you recorded ahead of time, or it might be a live lesson that you held that you need to post for students that might have missed it. To do that, you can either add it as an assignment or a resource. So you go to classwork up at the top and create. And if it's something that you want to assign because you want to see who sees it and who doesn't, like it's because it's something that you pre-recorded as added as an assignment. If it's a video lesson that was live that you're just posting for anybody that might have missed it, you could add it as a material. It works the same way, um, regardless. So we'll click on material, and this will be, and you might put the subject area, and maybe the date, and maybe the topic, and then any sort of description here, and then you just go to add here. Now, if this is something saved on Google Drive, you can pull it straight from Google Drive. If it's saved onto the hard drive, then you'll have to go to File. I'm going to go to Google Drive here, and it'll pull up recent videos. Um, and here's, say this is the one that I want, then I can upload that. If it's on the hard drive, you can just click on upload here, and then you choose the video from maybe your downloads folder or desktop, wherever you've saved it. I'm going to pick one from um, Google Drive, and there's the video. If I can post it right away, or I can schedule it to be posted later. I'm going to post this right away. Then this shows up in the student stream as a new material here. And when they click on it, they'll have a link to the video. Now, these videos sometimes take a while to process once they're uploaded. So when a student clicks on the link, they might see something like this, like, we're processing this video, please check back later. They can still view it by clicking download, either this download up here or this download here, or they can wait and come back later. If they click on download, then it downloads the video to the hard drive or to the downloads folder, and then they click on it and can open it. So yeah, that's how you add your recorded videos to Google Classroom.